Hello, welcome to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper. So come on inside and let's talk about what's happened in the last few weeks. So those who've been following along and watching my channel know what's going on. I've taken a break from filming just because I've been so swamped here in the shop. There's so much going on, I just don't have time to do the filming by myself, so it makes it very difficult. Now, I've filmed a little bit of stuff here and there. My wife and I did go on vacation. I filmed the Madeline Island trip and the ferry ride over and stuff. So we've got that. I'm gonna edit up and get out. It's coming up here after a little while. But there's been a lot of other stuff going on. Those stars I torched out on the copy torch, those are all built up and on the truck ready for delivery this afternoon. Then a lot of weird proprietary stuff has come in here and there, so it's been kind of a busy few weeks, and it's still busy. I got a lot to get caught up on. And I got to get ready yet this morning. My state boiler inspector is coming for my annual inspection, so got to get ready with the steam engine. And we had a little problem yesterday on the sawmill. This auger jammed up. So I got to work on that yet today too. That is being filmed. We did film the sawing yesterday, and I don't think we got footage of the sawdust auger jamming up, but I'm going to get equipment out, film the finding of the problem and the repair, and then we'll be back in business. Rocky, you've been coming to work with me every day? Yeah, you like coming to work? So when we come back, we're going to come back with a bang, and be ready for it. It's going to be a bang. So one thing I wanted to bring up here is I got this the other day. This is a YouTube Oscar Award. One of my viewers made this up and sent it in. Best in channel improvements, best in channel get it done right the first time, best in shop improvements, best in sawmill restoration, and best in teaching. Well, I never set out to be a teacher. I was mostly just set out to promote my business and to show some cool stuff that I do. And I never really thought of myself as a teacher, so don't do what I do at home. But this is really cool. So very happy about this. This is neat. It'll go on the shelf with the other stuff. Really cool stuff, and I do appreciate this. So, but when we come back, it's going to be with a bang. Be ready for it. It'll probably be a few weeks yet, but more improvements coming, more fun. So until next time, get out in your shop and get it done right the first time.